Hello, welcome to Painting with Angelique. In this video, I am working on St. Mary's Church in Tillsonburg. I'm going to be doing it in pen and ink. Right now, I'm just doing the pencil drawing, which you can see clearly here. The photograph that I use is on top. You can see it on the right-hand side, as well as I did fast forward it at the beginning. So if you need to, you can stop and start. The photo that I used is a vintage photo that I found online. I just did a general Google search. To me, the photo looks like it was taken in the 1940s, maybe 1930s. I don't know exactly when the church was built, but it does look like from that era. So I am doing, again, a 3D drawing. It's perspective. So I have my perspective lines going off to each end. And if you guys like me to do a course in perspective drawing, like for drawing for buildings or streets or anything like that, please let me know. I can always make a video on that. So in this part of the video, I have slowed down the speed so you can look at what I'm doing with my pen and ink. I did change my point to a different style of point. Again, I am using the old ink in this one. You can tell by the lines, they're a little bit choppy. If you guys have any questions on inks and tips, please ask me. I do have another video of examples of what different tips and lines that they do, different markings. Hello, I'm just going to comment on the music that I'm using. I'm using church music, violin solos, some violas, Vivaldi's, some of his music. There's one called The Shine. Not too sure who made that, but it comes with the software that I'm using. So sit back, enjoy the music, and I did repeat some because I did like it a lot. So you guys have a great day, and let's continue drawing. So at this point, I'm doing the brickwork. Again, I'm not doing the full brickwork. Like I said, I'm not a big texture person. I do like texture in my paint when I do oil paintings, but for my ink drawings, I like to keep it a little more less texture so it doesn't overwhelm the eye. You don't get overloaded. I did enjoy doing this pen and ink. It was very exciting due to the point of the angle of the building, the style of the church, and all the different arches.